Hello guys, you use smartphone ZTE Blade A31. This version 2GB RAM and 32GB internal memory in the gray color. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have only micro USB cable for charging and connecting and adapter for charging. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side camera, single camera LED. On the front side 5.5-inch display. On this side power cable and case. Downside micro USB port. Upside headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone. Android 11. Okay. And open Geekbench file. Talk about system information. Display IPS HD resolution. CPU Spreadtrum SC 9863. This octa-core processor, 4+4 cores, 1.2 and 1.6 GHz CPU speed. GPU power VIR. Resolution display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Close this. And look Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark score. Okay, close this. Run GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. Okay, GTA San Andreas doesn't work. PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.